This is the Pipistrel Panthera, the four-seat aircraft that made every other light plane feel outdated. And it can do this, a design so sharp and aerodynamic that it barely looks real. Carbon fiber from nose to tail, lightweight, efficient, and built with the kind of engineering that normally belongs to high-end jets. It comes in at a fraction of the cost of traditional touring aircraft, seats up to 4, and the moment you see it, you know exactly what it was built for. Efficiency, speed, future-ready technology. Its streamlined profile and ultra-low drag design let it cruise around 200 knots while burning significantly less fuel than anything in its class. Under the sleek cowling sits a modern power plant that pushes the Panthera over 1,000 nautical miles without breaking a sweat. And unlike most small aircraft, this one was designed from day one with hybrid and fully electric versions in mind. Inside, it's clean, quiet, and modern. Garmin avionics, a spacious cabin, and long-range comfort packed into one futuristic shell. Not the biggest plane, not the fastest in the sky, but that was never the mission. The Panthera isn't trying to be a private jet. It's the aircraft you choose when you want efficiency,